Go. Yep. Yep. You have a room here? Okay, you need to leave.
I'm sorry.
Yep.
I'm literally just I'm arguing with my girlfriend.
That's fine. That's fine. But you're on our property, so that's. I saw you taking the
I for real. So I was looking for more grills. I was saying like I seen the ones in front.
grills. They just have the
barbecues.
Yeah, they just have the ones that are kind of big fixed units up there.
Like, would you be tripping if I brought back some hamburger and cooked them?
I don't think they want you doing that. It's kind of a liability thing.
Yeah, that's why I asked you.
Yeah.
I get it, man. Scared the hell out of me with that fucking flashlight, bro.
I saw you walking around and kind of stood out. So.
Yeah. Do I stand out like that bad, bro?
It's not tattoos. I'm not judging you because of tattoos. It's just the direction you took.
All right.
Going behind the building. That's kind of odd. So you got a car or you just walking?
No, I'm a walker. You feel me? Like I'm homeless.
All right, man. Come here. Come here. Come here. Some White Castle here if you want them.
Oh, but no way.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, what is this?
Garbage. I think there's some White Castle and there's some cheese puffs.
What I heard about the Louisville police is not this.
Nah.
Hey, bro.
That's what I had left from dinner, so. You want Dr. Pepper or something?
Bro, I love them,
It's not poison, I promise. Yeah.
I love them, bro.
Yeah.
I would love them, bro.
There you go.
Hey, bro.
Yep.
Hey, bro, God bless you, bro.
Yep. Have a good one, man. Yep. You're welcome.